A lot keeps tightening over 100 into K left, don't cut. It must be here. And 6 right long. And medium left. And 6 left. And tight 6 right.
Logan Talbot, Sunbeam of Julian Burley and Steve White. They were lying second in class.
And 6 right here. 6 right and easy right. Long. Caution, right again, fast left over small crest, tightens, and K left caution. So keep in. And here, K left caution. And 60, easy left. 40, fast left long, 100. Stay right, turn, square left round barrier. Square left. Yeah, tightens, goes on a long way into double caution K left. Keep going, and then here, and then square right afterward. Keeps left and square right here. Brilliant, JB. 170, turn square right. Square right and fast medium right opens. Down, caution, fast left continues and tightens into 6 left. Fast left continues a long way, 100, and then 6 left slippy and fast left don't cut. So it's the 6 left and fast left don't cut, long over crest. 6, yeah, fast left and then easy left. That 3.